Shiba Inu Coin is trying its best to bounce back this morning, but the overall cryptocurrency market just doesn't have the strength that it did over the last couple of days. Now, we're going to be talking about some levels of support and resistance in this video here. We're going to be talking about some technical analysis, and we're going to be talking about Shiba Inu Coin getting rejected at the recent level of resistance, which of course is what led us to this little bit of a decline that we are currently on. Now, the good news is Shiba Inu Coin is still trading around that 2,500 to 2,550 point per coin level of support. If it falls down below that, it is going to become resistance, and then of course we're going to be testing even lower levels that we're going to discuss in this video as well. So let's talk about things Shiba Inu Coin, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2024 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you guys are brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks in crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. Super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and you're going to be earning 5% on your cash balances. You don't have to buy a single share of anything, and you get that 5%. If you guys want cryptocurrency exclusive exchanges, where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff. You got KuCoin, Binance, and Cryptonomy down there. Now, guys, Cryptonomy offers excellent passive income for both flexible and fixed staking, so make sure to check them out. But be aware, if you're holding on any centralized exchange, it is going to be considered in the custody of that centralized exchange. So if you want to mitigate that risk and make it your asset, you need to look at a cold storage or DeFi wallet. Finally, thank you to everybody going out to Amazon, buying the bro merch, buying the SHIB merch. Honestly, if you guys buy anything off of Amazon, you are burning Shiba Inu Coin as long as you utilize one of those two links down there. How does it work? If you open Amazon through either one of those links, you're going to land on a bro store or a SHIB store. You don't have to buy that stuff if you don't want it. Go out, buy your cat a new scratching post. Go buy a new couch. Go buy, I bought tires for my mower the other day. Whatever you buy generates roughly a 1 to 1.5% average commission. Some stuff's higher, some stuff is actually zero. But whatever you guys end up buying, I burn in commission. And the 1 to 1.5% commission gets burned there, and we are slightly behind March's accumulation. Now, the videos in March had more views, so I mean, that's kind of to be expected there. But make sure to share that link with your family and friends. Let's burn as much Shiba Inu Coin as possible. And because I want the total to be over what we burned in with March's accumulation, anything that you guys buy in Dogeverse as well is also generating a 1% burn. So make sure to check out that pre-sale. I've got a lot of videos on that. I want to burn as much Shiba Inu Coin as possible, guys. Now, Bitcoin down about 1.39%. Ethereum down about 1.02%. SHIB down 1.02%. Dogecoin down 0.5% right now. The overall market has pulled back a little bit. Not very far. A 1% decline is nothing to be concerned about or nothing to be worried about. But I found an article that does a very good job of summarizing the technical analysis and therefore potentially the reason that Shiba Inu Coin has reversed course over the last day or two. It says, Shiba Inu Coin SHIB hits dramatic reversal. Shiba Inu Coin has failed to break through the crucial resistance level, entering a correction. It says Shiba Inu Coin has hit a turning point. After climbing towards the 50-day exponential moving average, Shiba Inu Coin has faced a dramatic reversal at the 50-day exponential moving average. This pivot away from the 50-day EMA suggests that SHIB's momentum is cooling off, coinciding with a broader trend of diminishing power of the cryptocurrency market. The reversal comes amid a neutral trading volume, implying a lack of commitment from traders to push Shiba Inu Coin's price in either direction. So that's actually not a bearish sign. I wouldn't worry too much about that. You don't have a lot of sellers out there, but you also don't have a lot of buyers out there. I believe people right now are in a transitionary phase. Transitionary. Whatever the word might be for that one right there. Awaiting what is going to happen next. using some caution. There's a lot of nonsense floating around out there about political issues overseas. There's a lot of nonsense here in the United States about political issues here as well. Traders are in a wait-and-see phase, waiting to see what happens next before they commit to buying more, or of course before they commit to selling some more off. The market's hesitation is also reflected in the RSI, which is sitting in the middle ground of 50, which typically indicates neither an overbought nor an oversold condition. RSI somewhat mirrors the market's current indecision. Shiba Inu Coin's inability to secure a breakthrough above the 50-day exponential moving average reflects the current state of the market, which lacks buying power across different assets. The support level is all the way down at 2,100 points per coin, if of course it falls through this middle ground that we're trading at about 2,500 to 2,550. A breach below this line could signal a further decline with potential support at the lower boundary trading near the 1,200 point per coin mark. I do not want to see another 50% decline. I do not want to go back and tread water at the 1,000 point per coin mark again. We spent enough time down there in 2022 and 2023. I want to see some beautiful gains from here on out. It says if SHIB manages to rally back and conquer that 50-period exponential moving average, the first zone of contention would be the recent high around 3,000 points per coin. However, SHIB's journey upward may not be as smooth, as it will require a significant market participation and change in sentiment to fuel such a rise. SHIB's next move will hinge on whether it can find strength to bounce back from its current level, or if markets pause and the prelude to a deeper retracement begins. We should keep an eye on tracking support around that 2,000 point per coin mark. And I 100% agree. Guys, right now, like I said, the market is sitting, waiting, and wanting to know what happens next. The election cycle heating up here in the United States. All of the tensions overseas. Investors kind of looking towards the inflation ticking back up here in the United States as well, wondering if interest rates are ever going to be lowered. There's a lot on the horizon. There's a lot that can dictate future catalysts and future growth. The good news is I do have an optimistic outlook. We are entering a position or a period following the Bitcoin halving, which has historically led to beautiful gains. We're in an election cycle here in the United States, which should hopefully lead to some positive changes. There's a lot going on overseas, and we can hope for the best that those tensions will ease. All of these catalysts will drive the price of Shiba Inu Coin and the overall cryptocurrency market higher. Of course, they are not guaranteed. So that's why, like other investors, we are sitting here. We are waiting to see what happens next. I want to know what you guys think about it down in the comments below. And if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it. Subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a pro. We are here every single day. We are growing our portfolios together. You guys got Claybro883 everywhere. 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance. Free Discord. And until the next time, hope each and every one of you have an awesome day. Let's get started.